The first entry will be on June 1st. Bank account debit to share application account with 2,50,000. The amount you'll get from the third column, this is the money received on 1 lakh shares of rupees 2.50 each. On August 1st, that is the date on which allotment will be made, application money is transferred to share capital account. Usually this is the date you have to use. It becomes due for allotment. Share application account debit with the amount received 2,50,000 to share capital account, because the company will allot maximum to 50,000 shares. So the application money will be 1,25,000 shares. Column number 4, or you can multiply and see. Excess money received on allotment is 20,000. So to share allotment account, 20,000 will be transferred to this account. To calls in advance account, that is first call excess money received, second final call excess money received, that you can see from the adjustment table. 16,000 plus 19,000 gives you 35,000. Being application money transferred to share capital account on 50,000 shares of rupees 2.50 each, and to allotment account and calls in advance account. If I move to next page, you have to write the year and the month again. So suppose I have passed the entry on a fresh page. 2019 August 1st, amount due on allotment, share allotment account debit with 1,25,000 to share capital account, being allotment money due on 50,000 shares of rupees 2 rupees 50 paisa each. Now it will be not 1 lakh, it will be 50,000, because the company offered 50,000 shares and maximum they can allot is 50,000. On the same date, bank account debit to share allotment account with 1,05,000. Why 1,05,000? Because one of the applicant, if you see the table, had already paid excess money with his application for allotment. So that 20,000 will be deducted from 1,25,000. In the ratio mentioned like this, being allotment money received less rupees 20,000 already received along with application money. First call money becomes due on December 1st. Share first call account to share capital account with rupees 1 lakh, that is on rupees 50,000 at the rate of rupees 2 each. Then first call money received, bank account debit 84,000. Why 84,000? Because with application money, one of the category of applicant had paid excess application money, which was in that 16,000 was adjusted towards first call. So it is treated as advance. Now that 16,000 will be deducted from 1 lakh. So actual money received will be now 84,000. And calls in advance account will be debited, because in the second entry, calls in advance has been credited with 16,000. That is included in 35,000. It will be adjusted here now. First call money to share first call account 1 lakh, thus the first call account is closed, being first call money received and calls in advance adjusted. On 1st March 2020, the second final call money will become due on 50,000 shares at the rate rupees 3 each. Entry will be share second and final call account debit with 1,50,000 to share capital account. Then second final call money received less 19,000, because with application money, one shareholder who was allotted 8,000 shares had paid in advance for second call out of 24,000. Bank account debit 1,31,000, calls in advance account debit 19,000, to share second final call account with 1,50,000. The 5,000 which was due from a shareholder who was allotted 8,000, his balance amount of rupees 5,000 is included in 1,31,000. It is not to be shown separately, being second and final call money received and calls in advance adjusted. Since they've asked to allow interest on call in advance at 12%. The following entries will be passed on March 1st. If you are preparing or passing journal in the fresh page, again you have to write the year and the month. 2020 March 1st. Interest becomes due. Interest on calls in advance account debit to Sundry members account. Then same date you make the payment. Sundry members account debit to bank account, being interest paid. And then at the end of the accounting year, March 31st, this account has to be closed. Statement of PL debit to interest on calls in advance account, being interest on calls in advance transferred to statement of PL. The amount you have to ascertain 1970 like this by doing the following working note. The advance money is 35,000, but 16,000 relates to first call and 19,000 relates to final call. So you have to find separately because the duration will differ. On rupees 16,000 for 4 months, that is from 1st August to December 1, gives you 640. On 19,000 for 7 months, from August 1 to March 1st, it comes to 1,330. So that's how we got 1,970. That's all for today, children.